We're at Whiteland Restorations to see what they've dug out of storage. Things like this Davrian, delicious, and the Volvo 760. Not this though, this is Lewis Mum's daily driver. Cool. Some familiar faces that have been painted or live here. We've got Christina and Monica. Laura's Morris Minor, which needs a little TLC perhaps. Lotus Elan Plus 2 and a Volvo 340. Engine swap still in progress. Volvo Amazon, and more excitingly, Humber Scepter. This is a very long-term project for Lewis, stalled for a bit and is coming back. Rear spoiler, not for this vehicle. Little Fiat is still here. Topolino. Another Volvo 340. Headlamp wiper moment. Fiesta is still here. Ongoing project. There are quite a few motorbikes that need to go. There is a Lotus Esprit Turbo, very rare. The Pulsar GTIR is staying. But then we've got a Volvo 262 and a 980 we're hoping to dig out today. Body for an Alpine A310, anyone?